What's up guys, Bronze Tech here with a new laptop, and this is another highly anticipated laptop, as I always say. I haven't made a lineup of the top gaming laptops of 2020, but if you were to look for one video that's related to that, go ahead and check out the top 3 Black Friday laptops that I made in November. That's basically the top 3 laptops that I think came out for this year, but this should be added to that lineup, and it's the Zephyrus M15, which I've been talking about for a while, so let's get into it. So I got this at Best Buy. Best Buy is pretty much the place that you can get the best deals for gaming laptops. If you were to look at this at Best Buy open box, you can get it around $1,000 to $1,200, and I think that's pretty much a steal. For an RTX 2070, you're getting something that's really good value. So this unit has the 6-core Intel i7 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of an SSD, and an RTX 2070 Max-Q. This one is the 90-watt variant. We'll get more into the performance later. So the panel is a 100% sRGB color accurate panel that can reach up to 240 Hertz, 3 milliseconds of response time, and can reach up to a brightness of 300 plus nits. So here's the model number, and I think it's one of the best you can get on a gaming laptop, comparable to the MSI GS66. So super color accurate, very good for content creators and photo editors alike. So I absolutely love the build quality of the M15 because mainly it's thin, it's light, and it has this soft touch material that the Lenovo Legion series has as well. Right here on the deck of the keyboard, it's definitely something that I prefer to look for in a gaming laptop, just because for longer hours of gameplay or longer hours of usage, it definitely feels comfortable rather than putting your palms on a metallic or aluminum finish. The keyboard is very nice, with each key having a nice medium-sized surface area to type on. One drawback is that the keyboard travel is a little shallow for my liking. I'd much rather prefer it to be on par with the travel on the Zephyrus G14. Still, it's a very nice typing experience overall, and the RGB single zone backlighting provides added flair. The trackpad is nothing special, it's just an average sized trackpad, but it is glass. The 2070 Max-Q scores around 1,000 points higher than the boosted RTX 2060 in the Eluktronics RP-15, so it's nice to see some gains there. Keep in mind I'm doing all my testing with turbo mode enabled, so this is when the fans kick on to max. Now I've added the silent mode score, which drops down to 7,132 points, which is still amazing given the fact that you will drop the fan noise down to 35 decibels. I've never gamed on a laptop that was this quiet, so it was nice to play Call of Duty Cold War without headphones for once. Now we all know that the i7 10th gen Intel processor does not score as high as the Eluktronics RP-15, but given my track record of using Premiere Pro, I can say that Intel QuickSync works great, which I'll get into another video when I compare directly the Eluktronics RP-15 with the Zephyrus M15, so stay tuned for that. Now here are some sound bites from my fan test. And first I'm going to do turbo mode. And here's silent mode. You can kind of tell that you have to wait for the fans to drop down from going from turbo to silent, so expect middle of the ground decibel levels when you're doing performance mode, which is the middle option. Alright, so is the Zephyrus M15 the best gaming laptop of the year? That depends. If you can get this laptop for $1,000 or even up to $1,200 open box at Best Buy, yes, it's definitely the best value because you're getting such a good graphics card with a 2070 GPU, even the 10th gen Intel processor. I realized that QuickSync is such a added benefit when you're exporting videos, and that's only if you're a Premiere Pro user. If you do some 3D work, definitely consider a computer with higher cores, but for now, for someone who just wants to use Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, QuickSync definitely works for the Intel processor. So would I choose this over the Eluktronics RP-15? Yes, I would. I will do a follow-up video comparing both of those, but those are the top 2 options that I definitely recommend to everyone, whether you're choosing a Ryzen processor or an Intel processor and you're looking to spend around $1,000 for a gaming laptop that's really portable, slim, light, and you can even make the fans quieter. It won't be too loud when you're gaming. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm excited to enter 2021 to bring more content to you guys. So I'll see you guys on the next one.